What's up, you guys? Today's video will be the inspiration in-ear monster headphones. Alright, let's take a look here. Series audio, high style, high performance in-ear headphones for active professionals. Sides, in-ear design. These are the inspiration. It's got the back. Yeah. Inspiration. This is for iPhone, iPod, and iPad only. Alright, let's open this up. Actually, before I open it, I just want to ask you guys that these are for $40. There's two colors only. There's black and white. I got the white ones because it matches my phone. And plus, you can get these for $40, which is a pretty good deal, because these were for $120. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to purchase these. Well, if you guys are Beats users, like the Ice Board, I think, yeah, those do not have good bass. They don't have good quality at all. These have better bass, best quality, and cheaper. And these will last you long. Trust me. They're not wireless, but they're like worth it. These are good for traveling. This is right here in the back. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to read this. I don't mind. Alright, now let's open this up. Okay. Now let's do this. Alright, let's take a look here. Everyone's ears are different. Select the super tip size that creates a secure seal. Round super tips as shown. Oh, okay, that's nice. It looks like you could. It looks like these ear hooks, you could like bend them, so you could actually like make them fit in your ear. Okay. Now let's open it up. And holy shit! These are the inspiration. So let's. Oh, we got a traveling case here. Something inside. How you open this thing? Oh, there we go. It's magnetic. Let's see here. Ah, shit. Oh, these are the ear tips. Oh, and it's got a clip. You guys like to use this clip? Let's see here. They got foam, rubber, and ooh, I like to use the foam. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna give them a try. We got the nice case here. It says here series audio style inspiration. In the back, Monster. Monster's a great mark brand. We got an instruction manual here. Come on. And we've got a warranty information here as well. It's got the thing here for your hearing. Alright. I think that's it. Alright, now put this aside. Back on to these. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Wait, first, let me see. Ooh, this is metal. Nice, I like that. Yeah. If you guys are Beats users, switch to Monster like I did. Alright. Okay, here we go. What the heck? Here's the microphone. This is the left ear hook. And now the right. Okay. I don't like to use rubber really because it falls off of my ear hella quick. Oh yeah, you could actually like bend these. Oh, see that? You could bend them to make them fit. That's pretty nice. And check out this cable out. It's not like those like liner, whatever those things are called. I like these. I like this type of cable. That's why I like Monster. And besides, their bass is awesome. If you guys listen to rap, R&B, EDM, these are the right headphones for you guys. If you guys listen to rock, you know sometimes the drums like are like heavy sometimes. Well, I think these will be like the best choice for you guys. All right, this thing is pretty long. Okay. Holy shit. This thing is long. This thing is made of metal too. I like that. And here's this thing so you can like make them short or whatever. Now let's see here. Oh, you can switch them. Yeah, that's dope. Okay, don't need this no more. Okay. Let's put this aside. And this one to the side. Man, these are really nice headphones. Left and right. I will switch the rubber to the foam because I think foam will be my best choice for me. Well, yeah, they have these in black and white. And these things are made of metal too. I like that. And right here it says Monster. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Monster right there. Well, alright. Time for me to wear them. Okay. I just opened these up. These are the ones I do not like. These are the ones that kind of like interested me. Alright. This was also inside the bag. It's a clip. You know, like for your shirt. And all that. Okay. These are made of foam. Which is awesome. Sorry the way they are because they've been squished. But, oh well. It's worth it anyway. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, those are foam. These are like a really hard plastic. How awesome is that? Okay. These are like the black ones too. But I think these will match perfectly, but the thing is, they're gonna get dirty. So, because of the earwax and all that, the grease inside our ears. Just letting you guys know, not to be nasty. All right. These are also like good rubber too. They're soft. They're not like these crappy ones, which I hate. And these are like really hard rubber, which I think I might use these. You get two more of them. That's pretty handy. And these are the last ones, which is good. I think I'm gonna use these or these. I'm not sure. I gotta try them out. Well, alright guys. I guess that'll be it for today. Just a quick unboxing. Well, I think I might do a sound test right now. So let's do this. Alright, you guys. I got them right here. I put different ear tips for me, which one would be good for me. As you can see that. Yeah. Okay. I got it connected already to my phone, so let's do a test. Alright, the right one. Let's see. Very comfortable. Alright, this is the right one first. So let's see. Oh yeah, warning. Do not put these all the way to 100% because you guys will go deaf. Just letting you guys know. Alright, let's put some music on. This sounds comfortable. Wow. Okay. Now for the left one. My favorite ones were the left one. These are perfect. These were okay. And the sound is amazing. And also, replace your Beats with these. These are the right headphones for you guys. Alright, you guys. Guess that'll be it for today. I'm gonna do another video soon on the V-Modas. That's right, I have V-Moda headphones as well. I have for a long time, but I'm gonna do a review on them anyway. So, alright, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.